Live the home selling dream. Call Brock in the KW Selling Team. Go to the KWSellingTeam.com.
Hey everybody, I'm Brock Fletcher from the Selling Team with Keller Williams Real Estate Company. This is the fourth part of our four-part series covering the state of the market. Again, relevant to October 2023, right from the man himself, Gary Keller, at our most recent mastermind. This talk is about mortgage rates. Now, last week we talked about inflation. These are really kind of almost the same conversation. Why are interest rates higher right now than they have been in the past? The clear, simple reason for that is the Fed has raised interest rates to combat inflation. As of today, we're right about 7.5% on that 30-year fixed mortgage. Now, I know that causes a lot of heartburn for people because they're thinking, oh my gosh, Brock, I could have gotten 3% in 2020 or 2021. And that's true, you could have. And yet that was an interest rate that was artificially kind of used to combat COVID, frankly. They were trying to keep the economy moving. That was never a rate that was going to be here for a long time. Now, here's why you should still feel positive about the market. Because we know that they've only raised rates to combat inflation, we can also draw the conclusion that as soon as they get inflation to where they want it to be, which is 2% per year, they're likely going to lower interest rates. Now, if you look at the historical information we have on here, it's reasonable to think that interest rates could be at 5% in a couple years. Why do I say that? If you look at the historical data from 1990 to 2021, the average interest rate was 5.97%. So we should expect that at some point, things will go back to norms, and we should be looking at probably something anywhere between 4.5% and 6%. And so if you want to buy now, if you have that, we covered it back in one of the first couple videos, why do people move? If you have a life-changing experience that's causing you to move right now, do it. It's still smart. Values are still going up at more than 4 percentage points per year. Buy now, refinance when rates are lower. As long as you can afford the payment, as long as you can afford to move, it's still a good decision to do it. Real estate values have been built to go up. It's one of the key contributors to building financial freedom. So I know we've covered a lot over this four-part series, and I've really appreciated for you to tune in. Call me directly with all your specific questions at 517-303-3262. Have a great day.
Live the home selling dream. Call Brock in the KW Selling Team. Go to the